The world is a vampire sent to drain secret destroyers hold you up to the flames. And what do I get?
What's up, guys? Back on the Grom. Figured take her off road a little bit. Oh, God. These things are so much fun. Oh. If you're new to motorcycles or don't know how to ride, these things are perfect. This is like the perfect little hooligan bike. You can take these things off road, you can ride them on the road. So much fun. That's why I'm going to get another one. So I figured I'd take it off road, take you guys along the ride with me. Oh, it's so bumpy. Such a pretty view up here, especially at sunset. Oh shit. Oh, God almighty. If you guys follow us on Instagram, this spot might look familiar. This is where I took that sunset shot. It's absolutely gorgeous when the sun sets up here. This is higher up here than I thought it was originally. Then I rode this thing up here and I'm like, holy cow, you can see the whole town. I'm such a noob. Oh shit. These sticks are unforgiving. Yeah, that's the main reason I bought this thing for So Rock. So we could do this type of stuff. She's already added some pink stickers to this thing. No shame in my game. Oh, these sticks suck. I threw it on my foot. Oh, but yeah, if you're new to motorcycles and you don't know how to ride and you want to learn, these are the perfect little bikes to learn on.
It's a sledgehammer.
Dang. You got shocks, pegs. Lucky. You ever take it off any sweet jumps?
Good teaching bike, in my opinion. Let's go this way. Oh, God. Need some dirt tires on this thing. Street tires are a little sketchy. Still fun though. Got a little bit of a, I won't say cold, I think it's more like allergies at this point. The pollen's out. And if you live in the south, you know it sucks down here during pollen season. Oh, God. Boy, this thing just keeps going. Oh yeah. That dirt tires on this thing can be a lot more stable. Street tires are sketchy on the dirt. Oh yeah. These things are so fun. Oh. Oh man. Oh yeah, these things, these little Groms, I see why there's such a little cult following with them. Because you can take these things just about anywhere. And I'll go ahead and tell you, if this thing's got the power to pull me up some of these little hills, you could imagine someone is like 150 pounds. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna eat shit right here. Oh God. I'd love to take it to that mud puddle, but So Rock would kill me. And I don't want to die today. Not like that anyway. Oh. I could go put gas in this for her so she can ride it around. Ooh, these loose gravel are not fun. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my God, man. The thing's just all over the place in that gravel. That part sucks. But the dirt, that's pretty fun. Ain't nobody coming. Yeah. I think I'm gonna take it down the road. If I get some of those funny looks on this thing. The big old guy on this little bitty 125, people are like, what? What's wrong with you? Like I like to do hood rat shit with my friends. Yeah, these are these are so fun. The only thing is, I'm such a big person that it's hard to hit the top speed on this unless I'm going downhill. Going uphill and he loses all the speed. But it does pull me pretty well. I really can't complain too much. Plus they're super fun. You put a gallon in it.
A few moments later.
Let's race this BMW. Oh yeah, pulling on you. Yeah. Winner. Gotcha. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Nope. Not gonna happen.
Anybody. I want to go fast.
Shit. I got beat by a Chevy Silverado. What the? Oh, and I got beat by another Beamer. Come on. And another. Oh. You did so good at the beginning. What the hell? What's up with the Beamers? It's like 3 in a row. Here's the cool thing about these. Not waiting. Who waits at a red light on a Grom? What? I'm gonna take it off up in there. That would be so much fun. You know, it's funny when you take these things out, people don't wave at you. Of course, I kind of understand why they don't, but I still have fun with it. I'm like, gotta have fun with it. I mean, seriously, life's too short to take it too serious. Nobody gets out alive, right? Fixing to do its first oil change. I like that. It's relatively cheap doing oil change. No filter, 1 quart of oil. Just got to clean out the spinner and the screen. Yeah, get in your side of the road. That's what these little dividers are for. I swear, people do not pay attention. And I gotta dodge this gravel. Mobbing around some neighborhoods. No destination whatsoever. Just riding around, being a hooligan. Well, this little loud thing, man. That Zoom exhaust is loud. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. If you like today's video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new here and you want to see future content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to be part of the notification squad, hit the bell icon. Links in our description for all of our social media. If you want to give us a follow on Instagram or Twitter. But I'll catch you guys later. Killjoy, out.